The military wants to test out a new nuclear missile. Fine, I'll sign it this time.
Since it's an election year and everyone wants to be president, I saw it fit to make a game that does just that. I wanted to base the game off of another choice-based game called Reigns, which is a simple but fun game where you have two choices to make. So I opened a new project in the Unity engine and got to work. First, I implemented question and choice class objects that contain all of the necessary data for making a choice. And soon enough, I had a question prompted to the screen with two options to choose from. After that, I implemented a polling variable that is set to a random value and changes based on the choices the player makes. Then I added corresponding images related to each choice that I found off Google Images, and a fancy animation when hovering over a choice. And the game is already starting to come together. I also decided to add some art to the game. Now, I'm not great at art, and I pulled a lot of the choice images straight from Google, but I attempted my artwork skills at a nice game background, and I think it turned out pretty well. After that, I added a mouse hover sound effect to my game, based off a ticking clock sound I found online, and I added the ability for the player to create their own political party upon launch of the game. Doing this gives the player a sense of identity with the choices they make, and also adds some immersion. Then I added some sound effects and a main menu with some presidential background music, and I added a custom font to the game. I was unhappy with the current state of the art at this point, and decided to redo it in parts of the UI because I didn't really like the feel of the game. It felt very impersonal watching the White House from a distance when you want to make choices inside of it. I made some art that makes it look like you're sitting at the president's desk, and I used the art I made previously for the main menu of the game. Then I added a time in office counter. With this, if the player makes it all the way to 8 years in office, they win the game. And once I did that, the game was pretty much complete. And now that the game was basically finished to perfection, I thought I'd get a reaction to it.
Alright, so yeah, this is not supposed to be an accurate representation of politics.
Okay, so
Alright.
purple party. Oh, there's multiple parties. I'm gonna be the orange party.
Okay, what's your name?
Oh, my name is the Sublime Sirens.
Okay.
Okay, that's my political party.
Amazing.
Sublime Sirens. A foreign dictator asks your support of his regime. How do you respond? This is overwhelming. There's so much on the screen. Oh, this is kind of like Papers, Please or something.
Yeah.
So I can accept support or deny support. Yeah, well, let's see what this guy has to offer. A sketchy guy in your White House staff offers you a suspicious bag to get you through the day. Okay, the military wants to test out a new nuclear missile on a small island. You sign off of it on it. Bro, you don't know anything about this island. It could be like some people on it. Fine, I'll sign it this time. Oh no, my polling. No, -100.
Oh, you missed it.
I lost.
Yeah.
Play again. How will you fundraise? Working class? Beg the rich for money. Honestly, take the money from the rich and give to the poor.
There you go.
I believe in that. Conflict has erupted in a distant country. How do you respond? I think that conflict is wrong. Negotiate peace. This is the right answer. People find me weak.
This whole game is parody.
Okay. So like the good answers are like actually the bad answers. What is this though? It's
supposed to be a telephone.
It's a telephone?
Yeah.
Ah.
Do you like how the hand passes you a new choice each time?
I didn't even notice that.
Oh, okay. I worked hard on that.
I'm so focused on the rest of the stuff.
Yeah.
I like the pictures though. Is it coded?
There's nothing at 100%. But it's supposed to help your re-election. Like there's a re-election once you get to 4 years, but I'm realizing that.
Dang.
That takes a while. Alright. That's my game.
That's going to be it for the video. If you enjoyed, drop a like and possibly consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.